After a 3-month retrial, TikTok influencer Muhek Bukhari and her mother have been found guilty of murdering 2 men in a car crash. This is the second time the matter has been tried, the first trial resulting in a mistrial. Muhek Bukhari's mother was having a long-standing affair with one of the gentlemen who is now deceased. When that relationship was having difficulties, he said, "I'm sick of this, I'm going to reveal the affair and I'm going to make sure that everyone knows how you've behaved." Now, the deceased and his friend were lured into an ambush when Muhek and her mother said, "I'm going to repay you £3,000 that you've spent on gifts and wining and dining me over the period we've been together." When they arrived, it was an ambush and they were chased with multiple vehicles that rammed him, that tried to push him off the road, and ultimately resulted in an accident that took his life and the life of his friend. The jury deliberated for 28 hours and heard some pretty staggering evidence, including a emergency phone call that he made to the authorities where he said, "I'm being rammed by people in balaclavas. They're trying to kill me. Please help me. Please help me." And within the legal system, murder is pretty much the highest offense that you can get. It is the intentional taking of someone else's life. The sentencing will be done on the 1st of September. It is extremely serious. Murder is one of the cases where you can have what's called a whole of life tariff, which is you can legitimately expect to spend the rest of your life behind bars. That's a possibility. Both the influencer and her mother have broken down, and I imagine that they will potentially consider their appeal prospects. But from what I read of the trial transcript, having followed this incredibly closely, it's a very challenging case for them. And there were other people involved in the incident. They have not been found guilty of murder. Some of them have been found guilty of manslaughter, and some of them have been completely acquitted. Follow me for more legal TikTok.